How to remove type from an image using the fill and content aware. Now I could select the whole word, I could select everything, but the best way to do it is select individual letters. And I'm just going to go to the magic wand and I'm setting tolerance 0. Just select the letter there. And then just go to, once over there, select and modify and expand. And I'm going to go with 3 for this image. So you can see it just adds a little bit around the letter. And then I'm just going to go to edit and fill and content aware. And straight away you can see, deselect, you got the letter. It's completely gone. Now what you can do, I'm just going to go back because obviously I don't want to do that each and every time. You can create an action just to do that. So just go to the window and actions. Just bring that up. And then once you've got the action panel, just go over there to new action, right side menu, new action, click record. Now do exactly what you did before. Obviously you've got the thing already selected, the letter selected. Go to select, then modify and then expand. Then edit, fill and content aware. Click OK. And then deselect it. And that's it. And then obviously stop the recording. Now you've got that action. Now just select the other letters using the magic wand. So just select the O and then run the action. Now it's not great. It creates a bit of a mess there. It doesn't particularly work just selecting it using the magic wand. So just going to select the next letter, R, then run the action, then E, run the action. Just go through it and it adds a little bit of imperfection again. And you can see some there. And then just go through all the rest of the letters there. What you can do, of course, once you've actually finished, you can actually run through with the edit, fill command and content aware and just remove those artifacts that have just appeared. So just go to the selection, just select over there and you can see that little block. Just go to edit and fill and content aware and you just be able to remove it. It's gone, completely gone. And again, do the same with these just little marks there. Edit and fill and click OK. And again, that's gone as well. So that's it. You've removed the letters completely from that document. Now, obviously, if you've got hundreds and hundreds of letters, it might not work so well. But this is just for something with very clear letters like that. Now, I'm just going to go back right to start because I'm going to show another example. I'm going to use instead the edit menu and content aware fill command. And I've selected all the letters. So what happens then, you can see what happens when it processes it. It makes a bit of a hash. It ends up, because it's obviously taking sort of source material, sampling from the photo outside. So you think, oh, well, I can remove some of that. So I'm just going to quickly remove. And I'm using the minus setting there and the sample brush just going over there. So you won't, once I stop, it'll process it again. I'll just quickly do it. And it will just process. And it's a bit better, but really not very good. And you can just obviously, you can remove all of the sampling. And experiments, it doesn't particularly make a great job of removing that type. So I think personally, I think it's probably best and now it just basically just makes it one solid. It does remove the type, but it unfortunately doesn't look very good when it's removed the type. It does take a little bit of processing to do that. Right, and then you see you've got a sort of pyramid there. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. So let's say the best way, if you've got obviously something like lorem ipsum, etc., what you can do, just select the individual characters and then just run that script again. Very quick and easy, and remove the letters individually. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.